What is up, guys? Welcome to another video. I hope you all are having a great day. Well, here we go again. I wasn't too satisfied with the video I produced last night. The editing was too choppy, and I guess a quick, concise video wasn't what I was really looking for. I like making videos with cool edits and not videos of my face where I am just talking to the camera the whole time. So here I am fixing the video. Now here's what I actually want this video to be about. This video is a goal setting video for myself, and something that I am working towards. Like I said in my deleted video, my goal is to hit 10,000 subscribers at some point early next year, which is when the C8 Corvette is expected to arrive. As far as I know, I would be one of the youngest C8 owners, but regardless, it's my goal to get one. Like I also said in the deleted video, I am 19 and I have a C6 Corvette that I got when I was 16. This brings me to my next point. I know some people won't like this video, so if you are one of those people who strives to be a keyboard warrior or who is jealous of other people's goals, go ahead and do what you please with this video, because I don't really care, as this is my goal that I am working towards the only way I know how, and that is through hard work. So if you want to follow along with my journey to reach my goal, great. If not, don't waste your time watching videos that you don't like and envying other people's goals. Spend your time working towards your own goals. Lastly, I just wanted to tell the people watching who are interested. If you have a goal, chase it the best way you know how, because every person has a specific way that they do things. Don't let anyone stop you or deter you from chasing your goals. With all this being said, enjoy my goal chasing video as I work towards getting a C8 Corvette and growing my channel.
All they focus on money, drugs, women, diamonds, gloves, trips, birds, day, comes back, I'ma run it up. They keep telling me to work less and party more, but ain't nothing coming out of my life being dirt poor. Cause I've been broke my whole life, ain't nothing coming of it. I've been struggling my whole life, I'm tired of it. But you're too focused on the motherfucking money, bro. But you don't know the feeling of having nothing when you're coming up. So when I get it, you're damn right I fuck spin it. Drop 100 on some 4 and Z's, they bout to go and rent it. I'm working hard for the things that I have. Ambition running too fast, I couldn't keep up with class. So do I drop out or just sit there and just watch my dream pass? This is my chance, this is a test, I pray to God that I pass. Money couldn't change me, though it all remain the same me. They don't get where I'm coming from, all they focus on
existence, the physical universe, is basically playful. There is no necessity for it whatsoever. It isn't going anywhere. That is to say, it doesn't have some destination that it ought to arrive at. But it is best understood by analogy with music.
money, drugs, women, birds, diamonds, gloves, trips, birds, day, comes back,
I'ma run it up.
money, drugs, women, birds, diamonds, gloves, trips, birds, day, comes back,
Money in my blood, all I think about is Benjamin. I came up from the mud, oh I think I'm about to sin again. I keep it running up, all I'm gonna do is win again. Money is my drug and I think it's gonna be my end. Alcohol keep me tipsy, sipping whiskey. Drugs make me feel like I'm whipping in a 10-speed. You should go to parties, bitch, don't impress me. Parties were the reason I was sleeping on the mud.
Problem with putting